Okay, with this problem, what we're looking at is we're going to be trying to find answers to problems, right? That's our goal here. And what I mean by that is we're going to be looking at equations like n plus 27 equals 100. And we're trying to figure out what is this value for n. Now, you may find possible solutions. You may solve and get the answers 22. You may solve, get the answers 23 or 24. How would I verify, how would I check that that answer is the answer? So that's what we're kind of exploring here is how do you check? So we talked about this before. There's no way you should know you have, or you should definitely know if you have the right answer or the wrong answer because you just need to check it. So here's the equation that we're working with. We're working with x plus 13 equals 36. So is the answer 22, 23, 24? Now, you might know the answer, and that's not what this is about. I keep emphasizing this. This is about how we know the process and how we work through them. So we would check these. Is 22 the answer? What that means is you're going to plug in for 22. You're going to plug that in for x, and you're going to do 22 plus 13 equals 36. If you actually add 22 plus 13, you get 35. So does 35 equal 36? No, wrong answer, right? So then we could try 23. So 23 plus 13, does that equal 36? Yeah, you're going to get 36 equals 36. That's the right answer. And just to make sure, because some equations can have more than one answer. So just to make sure, we're going to test, is 24 an answer? So 24 plus 13 equals 36. So they're going to get 37 equals 36. And these are not equal to each other. You can put a line through those and say they're not equal. But that just tells you that those answers are wrong. The only answer that was correct in this case was 23. And again, that's how you check your answer. And if you had a list, you'd check multiple because sometimes you can get the same answer on for a problem. You can just end up finding the same thing. Okay. Just make sure when you solve any of these equations, you always take your answer, you plug it back in, and you make sure it works. You make sure it's a true statement.